name's Kelly Miller, and I'm developer of the Fresh Start Train Smart program.
Hi, I'm Terry Jackson. I've been a practicing veterinarian for 27 years. As a practicing veterinarian, I realized the importance of the animal-owner bond, how important that is, and how actually these little animals are members of the family. And when members of the family start to misbehave, they're no longer that important, and they tend to be a liability. Kelly Miller of Kelly's Kennels has really made a difference and has improved that bond and has not only trained the dogs, but has trained the owners.